Welcome to the session. So today we are discussing about sorting technique. In the previous class we discussed bubble sort. So today class we are discussed about insertion sort. So what is the insertion sort technique? What is the insertion sort technique? Generally we listened word insertion. We already listened a word insertion. So insertion means the process of inserting an element into an array. The process of inserting an element into an array. Say for example, this is an array. This is an array. Suppose we want to insert an element into an array. Means, suppose here I am inserted one element that is called say 1. One element is inserted that is 1. The next we are inserting an element that is 2. So this is called insertion. So why we are called it as this is an insertion sort? Why we are called it as this kind of technique is an insertion sort? So yes, faster. Insertion sort is a similar to playing cards game. Playing cards game. So in the playing cards game, generally 13 cards means each and every symbol. So 4 different kinds of symbols are there. Each and every symbol refers to 13 cards. I think in the mathematics subject probability you already studied Artin symbol, diamond symbol kind of thing. So each and every symbol 13 cards are there. Starts from 2 to 10. After that J, Q, K, A. This is the thing. So whenever we are arranging the cards, in the arranging the cards, we are using insertion sort pattern. Insertion sort pattern. Suppose I am placed 3, 4, 5. Suppose I am getting 2 in my hand. This is, assume that my hand 3, 4, 5. We are placing the cards like this 3, 4, 5. Suppose I am getting a card like 2, means we are keeping 2 here. We are keeping the 2 here. So that is a closely related, that kind of logic is closely related to this pattern. That is called insertion sort. So here sort the cards in the hand, you are extracting a card. Means how we are extracting a card from a bunch of cards, and while inserting the extracted card into your hand, we are following insertion sort pattern. In general, we know it, whatever may be the sorting technique, 2 inputs, one is array and next one is size of an array. The size of an array refers to the number of elements stored in the particular array. The number of elements stored in the particular array. So here also A is an array and N refers to size of an array. So the elements are maybe stored. Generally the array index starts from 0. So A of 0, A of 1, A of 2 like that until A of n minus 1. Here we are assuming that flexibility have in C++ and C language. We can assume the index from 1 to n also. So A of 1, A of 2 and so on, A of n. So like that, this is the elements. So whenever we are sorting these kind of elements, whenever we want to sort these kind of elements, each and every time we are choosing one element in a sequence and compare with previous elements. So this is the process of insertion sort. Say here, suppose 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe this is our array. This is unsorted array. Generally, this is a descending order, but I am calling it as this is a unsorted array. Why? Because my sorting algorithm requirement means output pattern is ascending order. So this pattern exactly reverses to the ascending order. Nothing but this is a descending order pattern. So initially the first element means A of 1. So this is A of 1. This is A of 2. This is A of 3. This is A of 4. This is A of 5. So the first element itself treated as a sorted array. So before going to the first step, initially one phenomena is there. The phenomena is called, in the insertion sort, the first part is treated as sorted. The rest of the part is treated as unsorted. First part is treated as sorted. The rest of the part is treated as unsorted. Means here, say in the first pass 5, only 5 is a one element. Means we are assuming that an array consists of only one element. So when the array consists of only one element, no comparison, itself sorted. That's why they are called as, this is trivially sorted. This is trivially sorted. So next, in the next step, means one pass is completed. In the second pass, we are taken, so say this is first pass. In the second pass, we are taking that. So 4 and 4 is compared with 5. 4 is compared with 5. So whether it is a right order or not, it is not a right order. It is not a right order. What happens? So 4, 5. This is happened. This is happened. Sir, this is a swapping. No, this is not a swapping. Generally, it looks like this is a swapping, but this is not a swapping. In the next step, you can observe clearly this is a swapping or not. So 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. This is a sorted array. This is a unsorted array. This is a unsorted array. So in the next pass, we are taken 3 is an element and we are assuming that this is a sorted one. So 3 is compared with 5. No, it is not right match. 5 moves to this position. 5 moves to this position. Next, 3 is compared with 4. That is also not a right order. Means 4 moves to this position. At this time, this position is empty. There are no elements in an array. So simply the 3 is copied into here. It means that this is not a sorting. Means this is not a swapping. Here swapping is not performed. So the next case, only 2, 1 elements. So this is a sorted array. This is a unsorted array. In the next case, you can clearly observe. So 3, 4, 5, 2. So at this time 2 is our element. So compare with 5. It is not a right order. So 5 is copied into here. Next, 2 is copied into, 2 is compared with 4. 4 is copied here. 2 is compared with 3. So 3 is copied here. So there is no element here. So 2 is copied into the particular position. Means that, so this is a sorted one. This is a unsorted one. Like that, here process is going on one by one step. So say let us take a simple example for insertion sort. In the previous example, exactly reverse. So in this example, one more example for getting better understanding. So in the first pass, say 5 element. 5 element is treated as, this is a sorted array and this is unsorted array. This is unsorted array. So next we are comparing. So pass 1 is closed. The next we are moving to pass 2. Next we are moving to pass 2. So in the pass 2, 1 is compared with 5. 1 is compared with 5. So whether it is a right match or not? No, it is not a right match. So what happened? 5 is copied into here. So there is no elements left in the left hand side. Means that 1 is copied into this particular location. So this is sorted array. This is unsorted array. So go for pass 3. Go for pass 3. So in the pass 3 category, so 1, 5, at the time our element is 4. 4. So 4 is compared with 5. Not a right match. So 5 we copied into here. Then 4 is compared with 1. Yes, it is right match. Why? Because comparatively 1, 4 is high. Means that 4 is copied into here, 1 as it is. 1 doesn't change. 1 doesn't change. So this is a sorted one. So 2, 3 is a unsorted. 2, 3 is an unsorted. So the next, in the pass 4 case. So 1, 4, 5, 2 is our element right now. Means try to observe each and every time we are inserting one element and we are finding that what is the best place. What is the best place? So 2 is compared with 5. Not a right order. So 5 is moving to here. The next 2 is compared with 4. Not a right match. 4 is moving to here. Next 2 is compared with 1. It's a right match. Comparatively 1, 2 is high. Means that 2 is fixing here, 1 as it is. So 1, 2, 4, 5 is a sorted one and unsorted case is 3. So in the pass 5 case, what happens? So 1, 2, 4, 5, our element is 3. So 3 is compared with 5. Not a right match. So 5 is copied into here. The next 3 is compared with 4. Not a right match. 4 is copied into here. The next 3 is compared with 2. It's a right match. Process stop. So 3 is copied into here. The next elements are same. This is the example for insertion sort. It means each and every time we are inserting one element and by making the comparisons, we are checking that the best suitable position to the required element. Means what is the 3 best position here? We are identifying by making a sequence of comparisons and sequence of moves, not swaps. Very, very important thing is in the insertion sort, no swappings are required. Only moves. And in case of time complexity, so in the past one, 0 comparisons. In the past 2, 1 comparison. In the past 2, 1 comparison. In past 3, 2 comparisons. In past 3, 2 comparisons. In the past 4, 3 comparisons. In the past 5, 4 comparisons. Sometimes may ask, how many number of comparisons you made. How many number of comparisons we made means maximum 4 comparisons. See here, we made only 2 comparisons only, but maximum chance is 4. So here we have made only 2 comparisons only. So this is the case. And next, what is the algorithm for insertion sort? What is an algorithm for insertion sort? So algorithm, and next insertion sort, algorithm, insertion sort, and we need to pass 2 arguments. One is A is an array, and N is a size of an array. Size of an array. So the next case, what we have to do means first we need to travel in an array. Means we have to write a loop for that. Means for I is equal to 1 to n do. Say here you can write I is equal to 1 to n or 0 to n minus 1. The array by default index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Say the array index starts from 1 to n. Okay. So the next case, here we are taking one element. Each and every time we are taking one element into our hand. So one element. The element is current element. Current element. What is the current element? A of I. A of I is the current element. So the next, we need to assign the value j is equal to I minus 1. J is 4 by making a sequence of comparisons in the back side. Okay. So here why? Because here we are comparing a sequence of comparisons. So the first value j should be greater than 0 when I value takes 1. I value takes 1. So compulsory the j value should be greater than 0 and logical and. So if the condition is true, then only here entering into this condition. Entering into this condition. Next, so A of j comparatively A of j plus 1. Comparatively A of j plus 1. We need to compare these two things. So in some of the algorithms, they are putting internally A of j is equal to A of j plus 1. Whatever it is, no problem. So what happens at the time? Means A of j plus 1 is equal to A of j. A of j plus 1 is equal to A of j. And after that, automatically j value is decremented. So j is equal to j minus 1. So end of the while. When the loop means when the control comes out of from the loop, at the time in our hand some element is there. The element should be copied. Into the location. So for loop closed, algorithm is closed. So this is the algorithm for insertion sort. The first for loop refers to number of passes are required. The internal while loop refers to number of sequence of comparisons are made in the background side. The next, what is the time complexity of insertion sort? Let us assume, so complexity of insertion sort say maybe f of n. So what is the time complexity of this? So coming to the complexity of insertion sort. So the insertion sort time complexity by based on number of comparisons, and we are taking that one as f of n. We are taking that one as f of n. So here also the time complexity is purely depends on number of comparisons we made. In case of bubble sort also purely depends on number of comparisons we made. So in the previous manual example, while explaining the manual example, I clearly told in the past 1 time 1 comparison, no, 0 comparison. In the past 2 time 1 comparison. In past 3, 2 comparisons. In past 4, 3 comparisons. In past 5, 4 comparisons. Maximum I am talking about 4 comparisons. So say the element or the array size consists of 5. So this many number of comparisons are required. For suppose an array size is n. Suppose the array size is n. How many number of comparisons are required? Maximum comparisons are required is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n minus 1. So generally we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on plus n, the time complexity, so what is the formula for this? Summation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus and so on n into n plus 1 by 2. So here in the n place we are substituting n minus 1. So simply we can say n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So 1 cancels, means that n into n minus 1 by 2. So the maximum here is n square. So the time complexity of insertion sort, definitely big O of n square. This is a simple animation to analyze what is insertion sort. So again, one more here. What is the best case time complexity of insertion sort? It's purely big O of 1. Constant time complexity. It refers constant time complexity. No doubt about it. So in case of worst case and average case, in some of the textbooks they mention that big O of n also. It refers to number of passes are required for sorting a list of elements. So pass 1, pass 2, pass 3 and so on, pass n. So by considering that case, so here the worst case and average case. So in the previous one we get n into n minus 1 by 2 means n square by 2 minus n by 2. N square by 2 and minus n by 2. So here these two are constants. Simply n square minus n. And here the maximum value given by this equation is depends on n square. So the time complexity of insertion sort in the worst case and average case is big O of n square. But it exhibit very good time complexity in case of best case. What is the best case? Best case is nothing but elements are already itself sorted. Suppose I am given the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called as best case. So here each and every time 1 trivially sorted, itself sorted. 2, 1 comparison. 3, 2, 1 comparison. 4, 3, 1 comparison. 5, 4, 1 comparison. So maximum 1 comparison and we are come out from the iteration. Means 5 passes are generated. Further sometimes they are saying that big O of n. But based on movings, number of moves performed in the insertion sort, definitely it refers to big O of 1 is the time complexity with respect to comparisons. So in the summary case we have discussed what is the kind of sort means what type of sorting technique it is, that is insertion sort, and we are discussed algorithm for insertion sort. The next we are discussed complexity of insertion sort. Complexity of insertion sort. This is the thing. So in the next class we are discussing about quicksort. It's a very, very important sorting technique. It's a very, very important sorting technique. Thank you.